Do you suffering from the symptoms of hemorrhoids and painful, bloody bowel movements? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world experience these uncomfortable conditions. But there's good news. There are natural remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms and promote healing. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of herbal remedies for hemorrhoids and bloody bowel movements. These plants have been used for centuries to reduce inflammation, soothe irritated tissues, and promote healing. Let's take a closer look at some of the top herbs that can help. First up, aloe vera. This plant is well known for its soothing and cooling properties, making it a great option for reducing inflammation and discomfort caused by hemorrhoids. You can apply the gel topically or drink aloe vera juice to soothe your digestive system. Another powerful herb is seaweed. Seaweed serves to clean blood vessels and strengthen blood vessels. Olive oil is also a great herb for hemorrhoids and bloody bowel movements. Olive oil contains vitamin E in olive oil, which is very good for providing natural oil levels, contains linoleic acid. To apply it, you can apply one of the 3 ingredients to the hemorrhoid or hemorrhoid area. For light bleeding, you can do the following to manage inflammation, such as use wet wipes, take a sitz bath with Epsom salts, use cold compresses, avoid straining or sitting on the toilet for a long time. Don't forget papaya. Consuming this fruit is very good for smooth bowel movements and dealing with hemorrhoids. Papaya is a fruit that contains lots of vitamin C and lycopene, substances that help reduce the risk of heart disease. Papaya also contains antioxidants which can increase the effect of good cholesterol, HDL, in the body. Apart from that, papaya also contains the enzyme papain, which makes digestive residues softer, so they are easily excreted by the intestine. The content of fiber, vitamins and minerals in papaya fruit also helps smooth bowel movements. Following tips to promote bowel movements and thus prevent hemorrhoids. First, take a fiber-rich supplement once or twice a day. Drink between 8 and 10 glasses of water daily. Exercise regularly. Avoid lifting heavy objects. Gradually increase your intake of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, other sources of dietary fiber, and use stool softeners. Finally, it is very important to consult a medical professional. But remember, while herbs can be a powerful tool for promoting healing, it's important to also address the underlying causes of these conditions. This includes eating a healthy, fiber-rich diet, staying hydrated. And, of course, if you experience persistent or severe symptoms, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies.